Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? We have a vehicle here where the entire drivetrain is out, as we can see. Take a closer look, we could see Feifel and Suholz had some activity here now. So, the drivetrain is not out due to rodent intrusion, nesting, or damage. No. This entire drivetrain and subframe is out on the table due to a leak. Where, you might ask, or what you might ask is leaking? Well, you see that seal right there? You see that seal right there? Those two seals are between the transfer case and transmission, right in the middle. One's on this side here, another is inside that, giggity, because the axle goes through there and it goes all the way through here. So, you were leaking differential fluid, not transmission fluid. Yeah, let's see if we can see it. Yes. As we can see, we were leaking. I'll clean that up once I get everything back up. This is already reinstalled. Now, here is the biggest kicker of this. Now, you cannot just remove this transfer case. You can't just unbolt it, right? You got one here, one here. Oh, I gotta tighten that bell housing bolt. You got another nut down there. But you also have one here. You have one down there. You have one right there. And this entire bracket blocking those little guys. Now, to get this bracket out, you gotta take it off the subframe. Then you gotta take this guy off. Then you can access this, right? It gets even better. Let's say you did all that, right? Let's say you got all the hardware out. You go slide this thing out, guess what? You're gonna hit the engine. So not only do you have to do all this here, but you have to separate and remove the engine off of the transmission in order to get the transfer case out. Imagine that. You still want to be a technician? I see Ford has their issues, it's all in the news, but you know what, not for nothing. It's things like this, especially when it's warranty. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. But you know what? When all this is done, it's going to be right. There's going to be no leaks. Everything's going to be clean. New parts were installed where needed. New seals will be installed where needed. New hardware will be installed when needed. The vehicle will leave in better condition than it arrived in.